Dr. David Myers from Utah Valley Dermatology, and we are doing a dermabrasion today. A dermabrasion is using something with a little coarse material to help smooth in a scar. Dermabrasion has been around for a long time. I really like to use it when we have a scar that's healed, and yet you can still see the outline of the scar. Usually, a lot of times, this is after a skin cancer surgery. We also use dermabrasion for other things like acne scarring, for the little lines underneath your lips from drinking with a straw, or just that you get after, with time. So what we're going to do today is our great patient today. She's had skin cancer, and we had to close it up. She's healed very good, but there's a little distinct scar that you can see from the photo at the beginning of this clip, but it's hard to see as much here, but because I outlined it. But what we did is we numbed up that area, and we take a little bit of this this grit material, and we basically are able to, which sounds pretty crazy, but if we can just get this to blend in a little bit better, so you kind of make a little bit of an abrasion along the path of the scar. So if you could just take a straight scar and make it so it's kind of a smooth surface across, it'll blend in better. This doesn't take long, it takes less than 5 minutes, but exactly what I'm looking for. Just kind of that fine pinpoint bleeding. And that's really about it. So we were able just to kind of just take off the very top layer down to the dermis, which is right underneath the epidermis, and get that fine pinpoint bleeding. That way when this heals, it's usually a little bit smoother. You just can't see as much of the distinct line from the repair after the skin cancer surgery. It just looks better. So a lot of times we'll only have to do one of these, sometimes 2 times, but just to help blend in the scar in certain areas. I love dermabrasion, that's a good example. And then hopefully we'll be able to include a follow-up photo if she's willing here in a couple months once this heals. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much.